We're now going to look at fitting a chest harness to the Junior Plus. As you can see, we've got 4 straps, and they're going to go into 4 cam locks. The 2 shoulder cam locks, and then the bottom pelvic cam locks. If we fit the pelvic straps first, we just feed them through the bottom. We can then simply slide them through the cam lock and then lock that into place. We'll do that again with the second pelvic strap and lock it into place. And then for the 2 shoulder straps, pop them into place. Now, it's also important to fit your safety stop fittings. And we can do that by feeding the strap through, ensuring the strap stays within the safety stop itself, and then clicking it into place.